In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on FanDuel. Firstly, go to the FanDuel Help Center or the website or app. Look for the live chat button in the bottom right corner of the screen. A live chat agent will assist you. Just verify your account details as requested by the agent and inform the agent that you need to update your phone number on your account. Provide them with the new phone number. And once the agent verifies your information, they will update your account with the new phone number. Just ensure you have access to your new phone number for verification purposes, as some updates may require confirmation via text or email. This process helps maintain account security and ensures your details are up to date. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.